In today's video, I'll show you how to install and manage mods for Ghost of Tsushima. Check my video description for this Vortex mod manager. Once download done, double click and select the yes option and select install. Once installation done, select finish option. And now go to games and search for a game type Ghost Ghost of Tsushima Director's Cut. Select the manage option and select download. Continue and navigate to the game folder. Select the game folder and select folder option and select the game store you brought this and select option. Now the game has been selected. And go to mods. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. Make sure you choose the mod that supports Vortex. I will also show you guys the mod how to install the if the mods doesn't support Vortex. First, I'll show you how to install using Vortex. Make sure the mod has supported Vortex. Once you see that, scroll down and select the Vortex option and select slow download option. Select open Vortex option. Go to downloads. The mod will be downloading over here. Once the download complete, go to mods tab and as you can see the mod is enabled. Click on the drop down. If you want to disable this mod, just click on the drop down and you can disable or uninstall if you like. And now the mod is enabled. This is a way how to install a mod that supports Vortex. Now I show you guys the mod which doesn't support Vortex. Or here as you can see, go to description, scroll down. I made 4 versions. So for this tutorial, I'm gonna install this second version bodysuit only. So what this guy means, he has 4 version of mod. This is the one I'm going to download. Select the manual download option and select slow download option. Once download done, go to description, scroll down. You can able to see where to drop this file. Drop the file in game folder, cache PC and PSARC. You need to read the installation steps and select this folder icon. Right click on the mod and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Open this cache PC. Open this PSARC and drop this mod file inside. And now we have successfully installed the 2 mods in 2 different ways. You can launch the game. Once you are in game, press the escape key and go to gear and go to outfit. I show you guys the mod is working. Right here, as you can see, the mod is working. Press after selecting the dress. Same thing for mask. And once done, scarf. I just remove the scarf. You can able to see the mod scars in the head, and same way the body has full tattoo. As you can see, we have successfully installed the mod. To confirm this, I show you guys the mod page, and this is the one we have installed right here. the face mod, and the second mod is tattoo. We have successfully installed these two mods. These are the two ways you can install. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.